So we start off today's video with this hair transformation. Oh, so she ended up getting this really pretty rose gold, pink, and blonde hair color. And then cuts the hair into an undercut style. Oh, this is so cute. Very nice, and I really like the color on this. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some more hair transformations. So it looks like the next one will feature a bob haircut style. Beautiful angled shape done with the cutting. Oh wow, this is gorgeous. I love this shape. She does have the bangs going there in the front. Very nice. Next up, we see someone with mid-back length hair. The stylist puts the hair into a ponytail. And she gets a nice, fresh bob haircut. Very nice, simple and chic style. Next up, we have an undercut hair change with this pixie faded cut. Nice bangs going there in the front. Very chic style. And then we see someone getting a pixie bob haircut. Nice, simple, and chic. This one does feature a nice angle. Beautiful swoop bangs to frame out the face. Gorgeous. Next up, we see someone enter the salon. It looks like she's going to be getting a cut refresh. She ends up getting a longer pixie style. Very nice. And then we see someone with a pixie haircut. Looks like she's going to be getting some coloring done. Oh, looks like she went pink. I love it. Very nice. And then we see someone with a blonde pixie. Looks like she's getting a pixie undercut style. Beautiful shade work. A little bit of a spiky texture with this one. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.